Hi there and welcome back to another Papetti Math YouTube video tutorial, where today I am going to be teaching you, yes you, Algebra 1. And in this video we're going to look at exercise number 4, where it says, given the function g of x equals x squared plus 2x minus 3, create a table of values and graph the function on the set of axes below. So once again, we're going to do what we did in exercise number 3, and then we're going to add a little bit to it. So let's start with our graphing calculator. To pull up our table of values, we'll go to y equals, clear out anything that might be there already, and we're going to input x squared plus 2x minus 3. X squared plus, we'll go back up there, plus 2x minus 3. And we're going to go to our table of values. And let's see what we want to start at -4. So we'll go up to -4. And we're going to have the point -4, 5, -3, 0, -2, -3, -1, -4, 0, -3, 1, 0, and 2, 5. So there's our table of values that we've created based on this equation right here. And then we're going to graph the function on the set of axes below, right here. So we have -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right there. We've got -3, 0. We've got -2, -3. We've got -1, -4. And then we go to 0, -3, 1, 0, and 2, 5. And right now, we're going to connect those points in our U-shaped graph. I'm going to redo that because I messed up on the curve up. So we're going to connect those one more time. Here we go. Let's try this again. Here we go. Down and then back up. That's good. Okay. Put arrows on the edges of our endpoints to show that this goes on forever in the upward direction. And now we have some follow-up questions to this. And it says, circle the x-intercepts of the graph. These x-intercepts are commonly referred to as zeros, roots, or solutions to a quadratic. You should familiarize yourself with all of these terms and be able to use them interchangeably. So these are very important words that we're going to be dealing with in the next coming lessons and the chapters for that matter. So when you think of x-intercepts, it's where the graph intersects the x-axis. So how many places do you see this graph crossing the x-axis? And I see 1, 2. So we're going to circle those 2 spots right there. And those 2 things right there are called our x-intercepts. But they could also be referred to as the zeros of the parabola. They could also be referred to as the roots of the parabola, or even sometimes the solutions of the parabola. So once again, we have 2 zeros of this parabola right here, and they are located at an x value of -3 and an x value of 1. Looking at the table, you could see where your x-intercepts are by looking at where y is equal to 0. Once again, you have -3, 0. And 1, 0. You're looking for where the y value is 0, and this is the value of your x-intercept right here. So if this video was helpful in determining where your x-intercepts were and graphing yet another parabola, please give this video a thumbs up. And now you're ready for lesson number 2, where we look at more parts of a parabola. Thank you for watching.